The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 is big when unfolded and small when folded. It's lightweight at 253 grams, with a glass front and back and an aluminum frame. This champ is waterproof AF. Oppo Find N2, small when open, even smaller when closed. Lighter, 233 grams, eco-leather, or 237 grams, glass. Classy glass or eco-leather back, but no official IP rating. Oops. The Galaxy Z Fold5 has fancy screens that fold and look smooth with a 120Hz refresh rate. Big screen alert. This phone has a massive 7.6-inch display. And guess what? It also has a 6.2-inch cover display. It's like having a mini cinema in your pocket. Oppo Find N2, big screens, fast refresh. 7.1-inch inside, 5.54 outside, both 120Hz, smaller but still flashy AMOLED screen. Oops, it's a bit behind in the screen-to-body game at 87.3%. The Galaxy Z Fold5 is a beast. It's got Android 13, One UI 5.1.1, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and an Adreno 740 GPU. It's a total powerhouse. The Oppo Find N2 is a fearless phone with Android 13 and ColorOS 13. It's powered by the supercharged Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. It's got a beefy CPU and a powerful GPU. Battle of wits. Who wins? Galaxy Z Fold5, 12GB RAM, 1TB storage. Boom. No cards needed. It's got room for all your apps, files, and cat vids. Oppo's Find N2 is a beast with 12GB or 16GB RAM and up to 512GB storage. Boom! Not as crazy big as 1TB, but still enough space for all your digital goodies. Nope, no extra cards allowed. Tough choice. Galaxy Z Fold5, 50MP wide, 10MP telephoto, 12MP ultra-wide camera. Picture perfect. Snap, record, and wow. This studio does it all. Shoots mind-blowing 8K video at 30 frames per second. Oppo's Find N2 packs a punch with a 50MP wide, 32MP telephoto, and 48MP ultra-wide camera. Say cheese. Not quite 8K, but still rocks with an impressive 4K video at 30/60th frame per second. Camera champs clash. Who'll click the win? Galaxy Z Fold5, selfie time. 4MP inside, 10MP outside. Say cheese. Your selfies will be amazeballs with 4K video at 30/60th frame per second. Oppo's Find N2 has two 32MP cameras, one inside and one outside. Double the pixels, double the fun. Not as good as Z Fold5 in videos, but perfect for selfie addicts. Strike a pose, it's selfie time. Louder, please. Both contenders have loudspeakers for stereo sound, making it a movie-like audio experience no matter where you are. No headphone jack, so get those wireless earbuds ready to rock. Phones, Wi-Fi fast AF. Both have Bluetooth 5.3, A2DP, LE, and aptX HD for smooth connections. They've got all the navigation stuff, GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, and QZSS. Nope, not for cats. Oh yeah, they've got it all. Galaxy Z Fold5, fast USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1. Oppo Find N2, slower USB Type-C 2.0. Samsung, the Flash Gordon of file transfers. Phones, face unlock, side fingerprint sensor equals extra security. Both have all the usual sensors: shake, spin, get close, and find your way. The Galaxy Z Fold5 wins with a barometer. For measuring pressure, go with Samsung. It's the way to go. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 has a big battery that charges super fast. It can go from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes with wired charging. It also has wireless charging, but it's a bit slower at 15W. It can even do 4.5W reverse wireless charging, so you can share the juice with pals. The Oppo Find N2 has a bigger battery. Charging is its superpower. With a crazy 67W wired charging, you get 37% in only 10 minutes. Wow, this charger is fast. But it only does 10W reverse wired charging. These phones can go the distance. The Galaxy Z Fold5 rocks 16 hours of video, 13 hours of web, and 37 hours of talk time. Boom! Oppo lasts long, 17 hours of videos, 13 hours of browsing, and 27 hours of talking. Nail biter. Lastly, the fun little stuff. Galaxy Z Fold5 comes in cream, icy blue, gray, phantom black, and blue. So many colors, so little corner. Oppo Find N2 comes in white, black, and green. Less options, more style. Hold on tight, because pricing is where things get spicy. Galaxy Z Fold5, $1,799 for 256 gigabytes, $2,159 for 1 terabyte. Wallets, beware. The Oppo Find N2 won't break the bank. It's $1,175 for the 256 gigabytes 12 gigabytes RAM model and $1,305 for the 512 gigabytes 16 gigabytes RAM version. Premium or cheap? Pick your poison. Tada. Done. Samsung vs Oppo, Fold5 vs Find N2, the ultimate showdown. Two awesome phones, each with their own glory and quirks. Who's the champ here? It's your call. Do what you like. Like, subscribe, comment your vote for the best phone. Stay tuned to DigiDuelers, where tech and humor collide.